Why does your scanner show the P0622 engine code? What does it mean? P0622 is a diagnostic trouble code for generator field or F-control circuit malfunction. It indicates that the PCM has detected a malfunction with the generator field coil control circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty alternator, damaged wiring, faulty connectors, malfunctioning PCM, battery issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Dodge, Land Rover, Jeep, Chevrolet, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.